Hey guys, Max here with a quick video and a quick tool I want to give you guys, because if you take these trades and you are consistently profitable, you want to track your performance, and there are multiple ways to do that. And I spent a lot of time building a sheet for you guys, a tool for you guys where you can track your own performance. A compound calculator is what I call it, because if you know your numbers, you know where you're heading and you know that you're growing, right? So these trades are taken on this particular account, and normally I have for an account to track the performance of my algorithms on an FX Blue, and that looks like this. So what is important here is this is the pi system. If you want it, watch my previous video. There I explain how this all works, but for now all we care about is this monthly return of 2.5%. This is with 0.3% risk per trade. So if you trade 1% risk per trade, I would make like 7.5 on average per month. But why is this important? Well, for the tool I'm about to give you. So I call this a compound calculator, and let me explain how this looks. It looks a little bit overwhelming, but it is very beneficial if you have a tool like this. I created it for you. You can download it. If you join the Telegram below for free, there I will share this file, and then you can just download it or use it for yourself. So what is important? Well, if you have, for instance, $1,000 and your average monthly return is that 2.5% or even 5%, right? But let's just do 2.5. What you will see in 5 years of growth, starting like it's now 28th of November today, so starting on December 1st, and you do not deposit any money, you can see here net account balance is growing like that, right? But what is the effect if you push $250 every month into that account? Look how quickly this compounds, right? It goes way faster. And if you up that, of course, it goes way quicker. So if you create a side income, and I share a lot of ways of building side incomes on this channel as well, with building algorithms by selling them, leasing them out, going for funding challenges, milking like FTMO and all of that. If you are allowed to build some capital and then also have that consistent growth, which you automated, and you also deposit some money, you can see how beneficial that is for your overall net worth and how you just build wealth. So the second thing I want to show you is here the S&P 500 is of course the index with the 500 largest US listed companies, where hundreds of thousands of people work, right? If you combine the companies, like the smartest people, the largest companies out there, and what an average trader wants to do is at least outperform that, right? So if you're doing that 2.5% risk, that 2.5% monthly return, you're outperforming, and you can see our strategy does that. You're outperforming the whole market, right? This is the line of our system, our strategy, and this is the S&P 500. And if we go into our backtest of the past 15 years, you can see, and that is also shown in that prior episode, you can see what the results are, right? And that is why you are a trader. You're trying to outperform this S&P 500, because if you're not outperforming it, then obviously you can better just passively invest, because yeah, it is way easier to just deposit money every month in the S&P, right? So if you're a trader and you are outperforming it, then great. If you're not outperforming it and are still in that learning curve, make sure you learn how to outperform it, improve yourself. And I hope this tool helps you to also visualize for yourself, okay, why you're doing it, how will you grow in the future, and yeah, what is just your why, right? You want to build that financial growth, and this tool, I hope it helps you. I put a lot of time and effort in it with building it with Joost, and yeah, I hope you like it. So join the Telegram below, get this tool, play around with it, how to make a copy just on file, and then make a copy, and then it is fully yours. You can do whatever you want with it regarding filling in the inputs, playing around with your own stats. And if you do that, yeah, you will know where you will be at the end of 2025 and further down the road, right? So thank you for watching. I see you in the next episode. Bye bye.